All right, let's get into it. I'm at the Bella Sirena House. This is my latest and biggest vacation rental I have ever done. It's been a long time since I've got back in front of the camera and started making some YouTube videos for you guys, but stick around because this video is gonna be amazing. It's in Cave Creek and I cannot wait to show you this tour. It's absolutely stunning. The owners actually built and designed this place. Takes you back to the old country style of Arizona, but this place is 5,600 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bath. Now let me just tell you, it has every amenity you can imagine. When you first pull off the main street, you kind of drive down this cool dirt road. As you pull up to the house, it literally will take your breath away. It just sits kind of perked up on a hill. Let's talk about the backyard. We got a pool, salt water, a hot tub, an outdoor fire pit, a pizza oven, ping pong table, a patio with misters. And then when you're at the front door, you can go to the left straight into the master, which is a beautiful, massive room, huge king size bed, triple sheeted by our good friends over at Well and Good. We take good pride in our cleaning. And this bathroom is absolutely over the top. It's just huge. A shower enough for everyone. I mean, this thing is huge. Cool jet bathtub, his and her sinks, massive walk-in closet. And then right outside the front door, towards the other side of the house, you come into the living room where you have a really cool pool table, a little bar area with double coffee machines, filtered water, custom ice cubes. I mean, come on now, this is insane. Then you come in right out by the bar, his and her office space. We got monitors for you, fax machines, it's unbelievable. So the family room has a fireplace, TV, giant couch for everybody, and this kitchen is insane. Literally stocked with everything you could imagine. Huge Sub-Zero refrigerators, all the bells and whistles. So if you're a chef, this kitchen island is a dream come true. But then right out the kitchen, boom, what? Come into a theater room with a foosball, an old school popcorn machine. You can watch every movie in this couch zone and don't even need to explore anywhere else. A little kids room where the kids can kind of get some quiet time. They got games in here. They can plug in their Xbox or PlayStation. As you walk down this hall, over on the left, you have one bathroom, and then the right, you have another king-size bedroom, super private, great light. The next bedroom is you have 2 full beds, walk-in bath. On the other side of the hall, we have another 2 full beds and a walk-in bath. Oh, but there's more. I'm going. We walk into the gym. The gym is amazing. Mirrors everywhere. All the equipment you possibly need. But not only that, after a hard workout, you can jump into the sunlight sauna. Like, how cool is that? This place is called the Bella Sirena House. So definitely check it out. Hildehomes.com or on Airbnb. All right, let's jump in on the computer because I would like to share you guys some numbers and be transparent as possible on kind of my process and what I'm looking at. One of the most commons is jumping on AirDNA, as you can imagine. Jump on AirDNA and then go to Rentalizer and then put in the address. So this is 5 bedrooms, 5 bath. We're gonna do 12 guests, but let's just see the difference if you do 10. Just give you guys an idea. Doesn't seem like it changes all that much. Yeah, it doesn't change all that much. The Bella House in Cave Creek can roughly do about 194,000 with an average rate of 835. Occupancy 64% is the average. To be honest, I know that area pretty well. That doesn't seem too far off. Then what I like to do is dive into the competitors, right? See what these places have. You know, it seems like a lot of them are doing 14 guests. This one's doing 10, 8, so that doesn't really compare. This is the same property. 12 guests, okay. So I kind of just like to see what's out there and then dive in so we can check out this one. Also like to make sure that days available, the occupancy, their average nightly rent. If they don't have a ton of reviews, then these numbers are kind of bull crap. So you have to like really dive into it and really make sure the numbers are as accurate as you possibly can. The data science guy, my buddy John, would tell you there's a lot of bad data. So you really have to dive in. So this is one of the properties, 37 reviews, not bad. So I like the look. When? Okay, August, we're in slow season. August, July, June. Okay, so not too bad. Could be pretty good data. And then honestly, I like to look at the reviews, see how they write out their listing, see how I can compete. Obviously, I like to look at their photos. So I kind of do this and I just dive in to see where I can enter the market. Granted, we're starting with 0 reviews. This place is whatever. It's nothing over the top. Pretty outdated, if you ask me, but cool spot still. And the photos are so-so. This one's also pretty comparable, so we'll just look at this real quick just to give you an idea. 10 reviews, so it's still fairly new, so it's hard to get real numbers. Accuracy is 4.7. So I'll try to go in here and read what's going on. So May, and that's the last bookings. Here's another one. 175, potentially. Okay, let's check out this one. 11 reviews. Again, not much data to go off. I mean, this place, pretty comparable. Does have a little bit more of the games with the full-on basketball and whatnot, but the photos are garbage for the most part. They're not too bad. They're not too bad. They're just not that great. Let's see. Let's check out one more. Yeah, I like the photos here. Again, 9 reviews. Not the best review for 9. I would probably go in here and dive in. Why? August, July. So it looks like he's getting 1 booking, maybe 2 a month. Oh, you got a couple in July. Okay. So still a newer property. Really hard to go off this data. There's really just not that much data right now. Cave Creek is a awesome town, but yeah, this is a cool house. Design good, good photos. I would say this one's pretty darn comparable to ours. It's got good style, great backyard, all the bells and whistles. Yeah, I think this is a good one to kind of keep an eye on. But then I wanted to show you guys something that I think is really cool. So February, I went ahead and marked February, and I picked the 3 dates in February that are the golf tournament. So that one's always like the most bread and butter. So I wanted to see if we're getting bookings already. So if you go into Airbnb and you click on the dates you want to check out, it gives you a lot of information, but this one is really cool. Compare similar listings. So click on your compared similar listings and you can click nights unbooked. And these are all the properties near me that are unbooked as of right now. This is ours. These are the ones next to us. But then, which is really cool, you can click on booked nights. So it actually shows which ones are actually getting booked. So this one is getting booked for $2,300 a night. And then you can click on the photos and you can figure out what's going on. Obviously, gorgeous style, great listing, good photos. Like, yeah, that makes sense. 36 reviews. People want to lock that place in. So I might be able to compare with that one. Also, again, great listing, tons of reviews, 41. Looks like decent photos, but it looks like a huge house, right? But these are already getting booked, so that's a really good sign, especially this far out. Look, this one over here, kind of far from me, so might not be that comparable, but 47 reviews, it's already booked at $4,600 a night. That's insane. All right, so you can really like learn a lot, but super cool. It's a great way for you to like really dive in and try to figure out your pricing strategy. So you can see right here, these are all the ones that are pretty darn close to me. It's that house. It's unbooked as of right now.
This one's unbooked as of right now. So these are all the ones that are pretty close to me. I don't know what's going on with this one. $8.90. This person needs to up their price. That's for sure. So yeah, this gives you a great idea of the price.
And don't worry, I have a bunch of new content coming. As you can tell, I've been busy. I've been trying to set up this new property. I have another property in Old Town I'm trying to set up. I was doing some redesign on my house and my casita so I can get that going. My other houses are really busy right now, and I just had a bad guest at one of them. So a lot of things going on, and I just needed a little bit of a mental break from creating content. It's exhausting. But if you guys like this video, smash it, like it, share it to your friends, and let me know. Do you want some more?